Do you think it is important to analyze films, or do you think that whatever we watch is a private experience and we should keep our feelings to ourselves? So, let me give you an example. 4 years back, I watched this Shinkai film named Garden of the Words, which centers two characters. One is a teenager boy, and another one is a adult woman who is a teacher. And these two characters do not know each other, but they always end up meeting in a Japanese park, and it always rains whenever they are meeting. There's barely any dialogue, and even if when their characters are talking, they are always using metaphors, and it just did not hit me. So, for me, the only takeaway from the film was that it's a very aesthetically pleasing film and nothing more. Now, fast forward a couple of days from that event, I read this analysis and then I realized, okay, there were a number of things that I missed out on. There were like a lot of cues, both in terms of how the characters were given, in terms of expressions, how they spoke, and a lot of other symbols. So, for example, the author says that, there is a lot of connection between this woman and this boy, even though it is sort of forbidden given the society that we live in, and it still happens, like these two people develop feelings for each other. Second thing, there are a lot of scenes that includes feet or shoes, and the author's idea is that it symbolizes a lot of intimacy, because in Asian households, whenever you're entering into an intimate space like somebody's house, you always take off your shoes and then enter it. So that is another thing that he talks about. And the third thing that he talks about is that that Shinkai tries to explore all the forbidden sort of relationships and the what ifs, which are a little bit off from the reality, but maybe happens at certain pockets in the world. Yeah, so that was all about the film, and I'm really not sure how to conclude this except for going back to the original question of, do you think it is important to analyze films, and where do you go, or to read about certain films that you could not understand, and is there any film that you still do not understand to this day? So do let me know.